Sir, in the last videos, we discussed very clearly about how to implement a program to check whether the given number is prime number or not. Okay, how you can able to check whether the given number is prime number or not? Sir, just we have seen, okay, algorithm alone. So what is that algorithm? First step, we have to read n value from the user, okay, and we have to apply some logic on this, and later we have two logics are there. What is the first logic? By using looping statement, how you can able to do, and the second logic by using recursion, how you can able to implement. So we need to print the status saying yes when, if it is a prime number. Okay, otherwise I want to print the message saying no, it is not a prime number. That is nothing but my requirement. Okay, so when my core Java will be started, I will inform you. I think this is not the correct time to discuss about that. So please ask the queries related to the subjects. Okay, right. So this part already we have seen. Sir, how to implement this logic one? That is nothing but by using looping statement. Sir, I explained very clearly in the last video. Do you remember or not? Sir, we can calculate factors. First of all, we can calculate factors. For example, if you take any number like 5, sir, this 5 we will divide with 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Every time, is this number is divisible by these numbers, we will check. Sir, is it divisible by 1? Yes. Is it divisible by 2? No. Is it divisible by 3? No. Is it divisible by 4? No. Is it divisible by 5? Yes. Then I can say this number is nothing but a prime number. How many divisions are there? Two divisions. So initially I am going to take, sir, the number of factors. The number of factors is equal to 0. For I is equal to 1, including that number, every time you have to divide. So if your number percentage I is equal to 0, so then I'm going to do one small operation called factors plus plus. Okay, I'm doing one small operation called factors plus plus. Finally, so if the number of factors is equal to 2, then we have to print the message saying yes. Otherwise we have to print the message saying no. Sir, first initialize factors is equal to 0. Then we have to divide that number with percentage I. So once if it is divisible, we have to increment the factors by 1 unit. Sir, finally, if factors is equal to 2, then we have to print yes. Otherwise we have to print no. Let us take any number. For example, 4. So how many times this loop is going to run? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So is it divisible by 1? Yes. Then initially factors is equal to 0. If it is divisible by 1, then increment by 1. Is it divisible by 2? Yes, increment by 2. Is it divisible by 3? No. Sir, then it won't increment. Is it divisible by 4? Yes. So total how many factors we are getting? 3. So if you are getting 3 factors, we have to print the message saying no. That means it is not a prime number. Suppose if you take n is equal to 5. Sir, it is going to divide with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. Okay. Sir, initially factors is equal to 0. Is it divisible by 1? Yes. Then it will be incremented by 1. Is it divisible by 2? No. Is it divisible by 3? No. Is it divisible by 4? No. Is it divisible by 5? Yes. Then it will be incremented by 1. So total how many factors we are getting? 2 factors. So this is the logic how it is going to execute by using looping statement. Sir, can you please confirm the logic what we have applied? Is it clear? not greater than or equal to 2, Ashoka. If a number of factors is equal to 2, then only it is prime number. Okay, right. Sir, now what is the second logic? Okay, yeah, that's why we are going for different approaches, Abhay Kumar. That's why we are moving for different approaches. Okay, just I am trying to explain all the possibilities. Yeah. Sir, by using recursion, how you can able to do that? How by using recursion, how you can able to implement this program? Sir, very simple. I will return a Boolean value because we are taking the help of Java programming language. We have a separate data type is there with name Boolean. So Boolean. So what is the function name I am taking is prime. So it will receive a number another integer variable I, and this is prime function is going to return true if it is a prime number. Okay, otherwise it is going to return false. So if the value of I is equal to 1, then I am going to return the message saying true. I will explain the logic, please wait. So else if that n is divisible by I, so then I am going to return okay false, saying it is not a prime number. Otherwise, sir, I am going to return is prime function. I am going to call this is prime function n comma minus minus I. This is nothing but what is the another logic we have. Sir, I will explain this logic by using this paint. Okay. Sir, how you can able to do this? This is the logic, right? Have a look once how it is going to work. Sir, we have this function. Okay. Let us take one small number, like let me consider the number which I am taking is a 10. Listen carefully. Sir, at the time of calling n is nothing but a 10. Sir, do you know what is the value of I? What is the value of I? Sir, n by 2 is nothing but value of I. What is the n value? 10. 10 by 2 means 5. Okay, sir, that means if you are taking a big numbers, so if you take half of that number list, then majority of the time you can able to reduce it. See, if 1 to 5, if any factors are there, definitely, so I mean, if it is having more than two factors, then it is not a prime number. So no need to check the values from 6 to 10, right? This time we can reduce. That advantage you can get with the help of recursion. So first I am going to divide n by 2. Sir, 10 by 2, that is nothing but 5. Sir, is the number is 1? No, it is not 1. Then it is divisible by I. Sir, 5. Is it this 10 is divisible by 5 or not? Yes, it is divisible. Then return false. Return means permanently it is going to stop. So I am calling false. That means it will come up with a sir output saying false. That's all. Sir, how many comparisons we have done? I think only two comparison. First, we have verified whether it is equal to 1. So condition not satisfied. We went for another condition. Their divisibility condition I have used. So if the number is divisible by 5, then I am going to return false because it is not a prime number. Suppose consider I am taking n is equal to 2. Okay, sir, here we are going to get 2. 2 by 2 means 1. Then return true. Return true. That means 2 is a prime number. 10 is not a prime number. Suppose if you pass n is equal to 3. Sir, it is going to be passed 3 comma 3 by 1 means 1. Sir, is I is equal to 1 or not? Yes, then it will return true. Sir, if you take n is equal to 4. Sir, 4 by 2 means 2. 4 comma 2. Sir, is it equal to 1? No. Sir, 4 percentage 2. Is 4 is divisible by 2? Yes. Then it is not a prime number. Are you seeing the difference? Suppose if you take n is equal to 5. So 5 comma 5 by 2 means 2. Is it equal to 1? No. Is it divisible by 2? No. Then return off. Sir, this 5 comma 2, again it is going to call is prime of 5 comma minus minus I. So 5 comma minus minus I means 1. Then again it is going to call. Sir, it is going to return true. Yes, it is the prime number. Okay, Just I explained this logic by taking small numbers, but trust me, this is the program which is going to execute perfectly for large volume of data also. Sir, please confirm, is the concept is clear here? So how you can able to implement this by using recursion? I hope you got the clarity. Sir, please confirm, do you have any doubts up to this, friends? Please confirm, everyone.
So can you explain how to choose I value?
I value formula is nothing but n by 2, sir. I is equal to n by 2. Okay, half of the length we are taking. Suppose if you have 100 numbers, we will check the divisibility rule for first 50. So again in that 50, you will select 50 by 2, something like divide and conquer methodology. Okay. What if n is odd? I told already, for every number I have taken here, you can able to choose. Odd numbers also I explained very clearly. Okay. Odd number means in Java we are performing normal division. Means what? It will return only quotient, not point representation. So integer by integer we are doing, so that we will get integer value also. Yeah, we can do that. N number of ways are there, Swapnil.
Sir, could you repeat the line I double equals to 1? Could you repeat this line why we have choose this I double equals to 1? Why we have put the condition I double?
Yeah. So I is equal to 1 means it is a format, sir. It is already fixed. See, if you divide a number, this rule why I have taken I is equal to 1 is nothing but only for the numbers 2 and 3. If you take a number 2, sir, for the 2, how many factors will be there? Only 2 factors. So for that, we can't apply recursion methodology. So because 2 minus 1 means, sorry, 1 minus 1 means again it will be called 0, like that it will happen. So this condition is purely designed for the numbers 2 and 3. Suppose if the user has given n value as a 2 or 3, then only this particular functionality is going to fire. Base condition. So to make it as a stop, we have to check this. Okay. Yeah, we can take more examples, Rashmi. N is equal to 25, not 25. You can take 50 also, but that you need to practice. Suppose if you take n is equal to 25, then what will happen? 25 comma n by 2. Sir, 25 by 2 means what we are going to get? I think 12 point something we are going to get, which is nothing but 12, right? Then what is the if I value is equal to 1? No, it is not equal to 1. Sir, is this 25 is divisible by 12? No. Then is a prime of 25 comma 12 minus 1. Sir, what is its value? 11. Is it equal to 1? No. Is it divisible by I? No. Then is a prime of 25 comma, sir, 11 minus 1, 10. Okay. Sir, now again, is it equal to 1? No. Is it equal to divisible by 10? No. Sir, then you have to check. Is it prime of? So 25 comma 9 we are going to get. So okay, again, is it equal to 1? No. Is it equal to divisible by? No. No. Sir, then 25 comma 8. Similarly, I think 25 comma, so 7. Similarly 25 comma 6. Similarly 25 comma 25. When you are getting 25 comma 25, is it divisible or not? Yes. Then immediately it will return false. So it will come out from the loop and it will print the message saying it is not a prime number. Clear,
Yes, sir.
Rashmi? Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah. Right, sir. So let us go for implementation of this program. Yes, Vishal, already I told, for recursion, a separate classes we are going to conduct for that. Okay, there we will talk about recursion in detail. But as of now, just we are explaining some algorithms. That's all. Okay, right. So let us go for implementation of this program. How you can able to implement? Sir, I'm going to take the program. Already some program is there. Just I will copy paste and I will do the modifications in this. Yeah. Sir, now you can able to see. First I will read the number. Okay, first I will read the number, enter n value. So if is prime, okay, if is prime of is prime 1 of n, Otherwise what I can do is, okay, no problem, I don't want to take the number, otherwise I will write a looping statement. Okay, sir, what is that loop is, sir, for I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to 10, I plus plus, first system dot out dot println of I will print the number I followed by some tab space, and here I will print some message. Sir, what is that message here? For example, if is prime 1 of n, I mean I. So if you are passing any I value, if it is returning true, I want to print yes. Otherwise, I will print no. Okay. Yeah, I will declare, please wait. So I value I am printing, that is nothing but 1. Is prime function I am calling. So it will return true when, if it is a prime number. If it returning true, I want to print yes. If it is returning false, I will print. Okay, like that I designed that. Okay, so let us take this value as integer. So now we have to define which function is a prime function. I already told it is going to return boolean value is a prime of, since I am working on looping statement, then this one is the same, only single argument. Okay, I comma initially the number of factors is equal to 0. Sir, how you can able to increment the factors? If n percentage I is equal to 0, then factors plus plus. And finally, I am going to return true when, if the number of factors is equal to 2. Okay, so here I'm going to check every time initially factors is equal to 0, then I'm keep on dividing. So whenever it is divisible, I'm going to increment factors by 1 unit. Finally, I'm going to return f is double equal to 2. Okay, f is double equal to 2. Sir, if really, if you are getting only two factors, then it will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. So let me run the program here. I have given up to 10. Okay, let us replace that 10 with, sir, n. Now let's run this code. Let's run this code. So I am taking Java C. So test.java. Is the code compiles? 1 minute. Somewhere mistake is there. What is that mistake? Method is prime. I think I have taken is prime 1 only, right? Oh, directly I called. Just we have to use demo dot, because it is existed in demo, right? That's why demo dot is prime. Now let us recompile the code. Now let's run the code. Sir, I want to test for first 20 numbers. Sir, 1, is it a prime number? No. 2, is it a prime number? Yes. 3, is it a prime number? Yes. 4, no. 5, yes. 6, no. 7, yes. Like this we are getting. Sir, can I implement the same thing? Can I implement the same thing by using second approach? Yes. Sir, we have to pass another argument, which is nothing but I by 2. Because we have to pass two arguments, right? One is nothing but the number. Second one is nothing but half of that number. Okay. Next, what we have to do? We have to take the same implementation, sir. But recursion we have to use. Is prime of 2, integer n comma, I am taking integer I. By using which methodology? Recursion. So what is the first step? Array the value of I is equal to 1 or not. If I is equal to 1, yes, return true because it is a prime number. Else, if n is anyway divisible by I, means it is not a prime number. Here itself you can terminate. Otherwise, other than these two cases, then we have to check for its lower cases. So return is prime 2 of that n value I am passing under minus minus I. Sir, why I am using pre-increment here? Since it is a function call. If it is normal statements, then no problem. Since it is a function call, so first we are going to decrease the value and we will share that value. Okay. Now let us check. I think the same output we are expecting even for the second case also. Okay. Yes, somewhere it is division by 0 error we are getting. Yes, what is the problem? Where we are getting division by error?
I by 2.
I is equal to 1. For I is equal to 1, sir, what is happening? For I is equal to 1, you can able to see 1 by 2, we are going to get 0, right? So here I value is 0. So it is divisible by here, we are getting the problem. That means it is not going to work for I is equal to 1. And we know already the prime numbers are going to start from which number? 2, right? I think here we can start from 2. Let us check. I'm expecting this is the problem. Let me check. So now I'm giving sir 10. Is it coming? Yes, but somewhat a disturbance is there in the output. So what I can do here, again plus try to append slash t. Now I think it is going to work. Sir, what is the problem in the previous case? So the problem is nothing but, sir, we have started from 1, but actually the prime numbers are going to start from 2. If you take 1, what is happening? 1 comma 1 by 2 means 0. Then it is not equal to 1 and it is not divisible. If anywhere, if this condition is checking, then we are going to get runtime error. We know, right? Division by 0 is not possible. Like this we are getting. So this is the way how we can able to implement this prime number program by using different logics. Can you please confirm? Do you have any doubts up to this? Everyone. And someone asked, sir, which is the best? Is it recursion or normal for loop? Which one is the best? Sir, both are having its own advantages and disadvantages. In the recursions, I will explain about those things. What advantages are there by taking recursion and what disadvantages are there. Both I will explain. So I request everyone to please confirm. Clear up to this? Yeah, Arjun, if you know Java 8 well, you can convert every program into Java 8. Java 8 is not that much good, sir. Okay, like we don't have any theory concepts. We have new features, that's all. If your program requires such type of things, you can do that. Okay, sir, writing in recursion is the best or writing in normal other logics in best in interview? That's what I'm explaining, Siri Chandana. I will talk about that differences in recursions. Okay, I will give very full clear clarity about recursions there. You will get idea. Okay, right. Sir, the next program, okay, the next program what we have here is nothing but, sir, what is that program? I think Fibonacci number, right? Fibonacci number, I think majority of you people may know about this. So implement a program or algorithm, so to generate or to list out, sir, Fibonacci numbers. Okay, Fibonacci numbers. I think everyone know the meaning of Fibonacci. It is nothing but a series, sir. It is nothing but a series where first two numbers are nothing but 0 and 1. Okay, yeah, correct, Praveen. First two numbers are 0 and 1. The next sequence is framed from this. Sir, what is the way how you can able to take? Sir, first two numbers are 0 and 1, right? The next number is calculated by adding these two. 0 plus 1, 1. Next number is calculated by adding these two, which is nothing but 2. Next number is calculated by adding these two. Sir, 1 plus 2, 3. Next number is calculated by adding these two. Sir, which is nothing but 5. And so on. I can say this sequence is nothing but, sir, sum of previous, okay, sum of previous two numbers where the series starts from 0 comma 1. Okay, sir, first number is 0, second number is 1. 1 plus 0, which is nothing but 1. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 5. Sir, 5 plus 3 8. Sir, 8 plus 5 13. Okay, and so on. Like this we are going to get. Okay, sir, I hope the definition of this Fibonacci sequence is very clear. Let us go with algorithm. So we have, for this also we have recursive style is there, but I am not concentrating on recursive style as of now because you people will get confused. Okay, sir, let us go with the direct Fibonacci numbers. Read n value from the user. Okay, read n value from the user. Okay, then what is the second step? Sir, create array list object. Create array list object, because sir, we need to get the sequence of numbers, right? Since if it is a single value as output, like yes or no.
Huh?
Sir, Arjun, please be on mute. Arjun, please be on mute. I am muting every participant. Try to use chat window for communication purpose. Okay, right. Sir, here I want to create a new array list object. I want to create a new array list object. Sir, in that object we have to, sir, push all the Fibonacci sequence, all the calculated FIB sequence into array list. Sir, at finally we have to print array list. Sir, how to push? What is the logic for this? Very simple, sir. I told already. Okay, something like A starts from 0, B starts from 1. Okay, then what we have to do? So first I am going to add array list dot add of A and array list dot add of B. These two are added to array list. So then I will write a for loop. For I is equal to 1, I less than n minus 2, because already first two numbers are added, right? Suppose if they are asking to generate first 5 Fibonacci numbers, if they are giving input as a 5, already two numbers I added, so I have to run for rest of three numbers. That's why I less than n minus 2, I plus plus. Now what we have to do? What is a formula, sir? Just now I told, if you want to calculate a Fibonacci sequence, it is a sum of a previous two numbers. Previous numbers are A and B, right? That's why C is equal to A plus B. Sir, after calculating C value, sir, we have to add that C value into the array list. Now what happens? A is equal to B, B is equal to C. That's all. Very simple. That's all, sir. So finally, we have to print that array list. I will take one simple example. Listen carefully. Sir, they have given n is equal to 5. Sir, what is the initial value of A? A is equal to 0. What is the initial value of B? B is equal to 1. Right. Sir, I have already one array list is there. In that, I am adding A so that 0 will be added. I am adding B so that 1 will be added. Excellent. Now, for I is equal to 1. Sir, I is equal to 1. When I is equal to 1, I is less than n by n minus 2. Sir, 5 minus 2, 3. Is it true or false? True. Then C is equal to A plus B. A value is 0, B value is 1. So that 0 plus 1 will become 1. Add that value into array list. Sir, after that, your A will become B. Your A will become B. What is the value of B? 0, right? Sorry, 1, right? That will be updated to A. The value of B will become C. C value is 1. So that will be updated to B. Sir, now I plus plus. I value will become 2. Sir, is 2 less than 3 or not? Yes, condition true. Sir, now C is equal to A plus B. 1 plus 1, which is nothing but 2. Now we have to push this. Sorry. Oh yeah, we have to push this. Sir, then what happens? A is equal to B. What is the B value? Latest B value 1. That will be added to A. I mean assigned to A. What is the value of C? 2. That 2 will be assigned to B. Now A value is 1, B value is 2. Sir, what about next value? Sir, I is equal to 3. Okay, I am taking I is equal to 3. Sir, is it less than 3? Less than 3 means false, sir. But here we should not use less than, we have to use less than or equal to. Less than or equal to 3 means condition. Then what is the value of C? Sir, 1 plus 2, which is nothing but 3. So push that 3. Then what about A? A will become B. B value is already 2. That will be assigned to A. And B value will become 3 for calculating next number. So I plus plus. Now I will become 4. Sir, is it 4 is less than or equal to 3? Condition false. Then it will stop. Sir, now this is the array list what we have with how many values? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values. That is their expected output, right? This is nothing but what we have. Suppose if they have given a large volume of data, try to change the data type so that you will get a number of values. Sir, please confirm if the logic is clear. How to use array list, all these things I will explain. Don't worry. Just array list is nothing but a container in Java where we can able to push the values. Okay, that's why I already told you should have a minimum idea on these data structures. I mean Java. Okay, sir, please confirm, is this algorithm is clear for you people, everyone? Clear, right? Yes, why I have taken n minus 2 is also I think very clear for you people. Already two numbers we have used, rest of the numbers only we have to take. That's why Sima. Yeah, that's what I'm telling. See, already we have taken, suppose if they're asking 5 numbers, already we have taken first 2 numbers. How many rest of the numbers we have? Only 3, right? For that only I have written the logic. I is equal to 1. I will stop whenever it reaches to 3. That means 5 minus 2, right? Already they are expecting 5 values. 2 values we have already used. That's why I have taken I less than or equal to n minus 1. Clear? Sima. Right. Sir, now I want to go for implementation of this program. Sir, how to implement this? How to implement this? Yeah, we can take array also, but it is a risky process, right? Rabshu, it is a risky process, right? Because you need to maintain a separate index value. Okay, and you have to store that element into that, and the index value we have to increment. So we need a separate assistance for maintaining the index. But in the array list, all such type of terminologies are not required. Simply you can push the values. Okay, right. Sir, now I'm going to take, please listen carefully, friends. So here, what is my requirement? So enter n value. I'm going to read that n value from the user. Sir, now listen carefully. Array list I am taking, which is going to support, okay, array list. Sir, al is equal to, sir, here in demo class, so I will call, so get Fibonacci numbers. Okay, get Fibonacci series. Yes, wait, Fibonacci sequence or get Fibonacci numbers. So I will pass the value of n. Suppose if n is equal to 5, it is going to return n Fibonacci numbers, and just I am printing that array list on the screen. That's all. So even I don't want to take that array list, means what? Simply you can able to store here. That's all. Okay. So demo dot get Fibonacci numbers. This function we have to implement. So static, sir, return type is what? Return type is nothing but array list. Maybe I'm taking here integer. If I'm taking like integer, what is the meaning? It is going to provide support only for integers. Okay, generics. So now what is my requirement? I will create a new array list, but before that I need some 3 variables and also I. Sir, I want to create a array list, so which supports integer type of data. Al is equal to, so new array list of which supports integer type of data. A is equal to, what is the initial value? 0. B is equal to, what is the initial value? 1. Sir, now array list dot add of A, array list dot add of B, 2 numbers added. Then, sir, for I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n minus 2, I plus plus. Sir, what this operation we are going to do? C is equal to, I am taking A plus B. Okay, then array list dot add of C. Then array list dot add of C. Then A is equal to B I am taking, B is equal to C I am taking. That's all. Sir, finally what we have to do? We need to return AL, array list. Okay, just a minute. Yeah, so just we are returning that array list at the end. That's all. So every logic is clearly explained, and let us see what output we are going to get. Maybe one or two errors, no problem. So what it is telling, sir, array list is not defined because where array list is available, sir, it is a utility class data structures, right? So we have to import java.util.star. We have to import from the external source. Sir, now the program compiled successfully. Now we have to run Java space. I am giving test. Sir, it is asking n value. I am giving 5. Sir, what output we are getting? You can able to see. These are the first 1 minute. Let me execute one more time. Sir, now you can able to see. Sir, is it printing first 5 numbers or not? Yes, happily. Sir, first 5 values it is returning successfully. Okay. Sir, can I give 10? No problem. First 10 values. Can I give 25? Yes, first 5 25 what you can call numbers it is returning. So this is the way how you can able to implement this program. Already I explained this logic with the help of implementation. I think you got a full-fledged clarity. Can you please confirm? Do you have any doubt in these concepts? I request every student to please confirm. Yeah, Vinith, please. You can ask. In interview, if they are asking without array list, yes, it is possible. It is possible. Okay. So you can take two numbers and you can print. Okay. Arjun, we are not going to start any new DSA batch. So evening 5 o'clock, we announced one more DSA batch that will be combined to this batch only, 7 o'clock batch. Okay. Vinith, here, please concentrate on logics, algorithms, how we are developing and how we are implementing the data structures. Okay. Rather than Java, because we are taking the help of Java. So you can take a Java program without a public also, no problem, it will work. Okay, no issues. But you can declare if any class, if you want, you can declare as a public, no problem. I think Vinith, you are getting the clarity, right? Just for temporary purpose, we are writing the programs. But if you take any IDE, there it will automatically take public everything. But the program is working, right? Just that's all. Yeah, DSA, as of now, we have only one batch is there, that too from 7 to 8 o'clock. That's all. No other batches. Okay. Right. Sir, now, yeah, this is the final. Yeah, DSA only. So this is the final Zoom link, sir. This link is not going to be changed. This is the permanent link. Okay. You can attend the classes by using this link only. Right. Sir, the next program what we have here is, okay, next program what we have here is implement a program or algorithm to generate, okay, implement a program or algorithm to generate, okay, sir, Fibonacci sequence. Okay, Fibonacci sequence. Sir, what is mean by Fibonacci sequence? It is the same as a Fibonacci, sir. It is the same as a Fibonacci. But sum of previous three numbers, sum of previous three numbers, where the series is going to be start from 0, 1, 2. So if the sequence is starting from 0, 1, 2, recorded sessions admin people are going to take care. Running notes today you will receive. Okay. Right. Arjun, you need to wait for another 1 week. Not 1 week. Maybe tomorrow I'm going to start time complexity calculation, all these things. So in the initial demo sessions itself, I told sir, initially we are going to start with some few algorithms. So how to construct the algorithms, all these things. Okay. Several times I am repeating the same point. So this is the last algorithm what we are going to cover. Okay. So here we are going to analyze how we are going to frame the algorithms. Arjun, clear? Right. Sir, if you take 0, 1, 2, 3, okay. Sir, how to get the first number? First three numbers are already given. Sir, first number is nothing but 0. Second number is nothing but 1. Third number is nothing but. Try to get next number by adding these three. Sir, what number we are going to get? 0 plus 1. 1 plus 2 is nothing but 3. Sir, how to get next number? 6. Sir, how to get next number? I think 11. Sir, how to get next number? Sir, 20. Okay, are you getting the point? Sum of previous three numbers. Sir, I think the algorithm is also same. No change at all. The algorithm is also same. Sir, what modification we have to do here? Read n value, create array list object, push the calculated sir trip sequence into array list. A is equal to 0, sir b is equal to 1, and c is equal to, what is the initial value of c? C is equal to 2. Add a, b, and then c. Sir, for I is equal to 1, I less than 3, less than n minus 3. C is equal to, I think here we need to take one more variable d. D is equal to a plus b plus c. Sir, add d value. A is equal to b, okay. B is equal to c, okay. Then c is equal to d. That's all, nothing more than this. So let me take one simple example. Okay. Suppose consider they have given n is equal to something like 6. Sir, what is my requirement? Initially A is equal to 1, initially A is equal to 0, so B is equal to 1, and C is equal to 2. Like this we have. Sir, I created one array list with how many boxes? 6 boxes. 1, so 2, 3, so 4, 5, and 6. Sir, initially I appended A, B, C. Sir, A value will become 0, B value will become 1, C value will become 2. For I is equal to 1. Sir, when I is equal to 1, is it less than or equal to 6 minus 3? Yes, true. Then I am going to calculate t 0 plus 1 plus 2, which will become 3. That 3 I am appending. Next time, sir, A value will become, B value will become A, and C value will become B. Then, sir, C value will become C. Like this we are getting, I mean D. Sir, now what is our next requirement? Sir, I value 2 less than or equal to 3. Again, condition is true. Sir, 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3 is nothing but 6. Sir, then this will become 2, this will become 3, this will become 6. Right? When 3 less than or equal to 3, condition true. Sir, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 6, which is nothing but 11. Then 4, 4 less than or equal to 4, condition is false. This is nothing but the final list. That's all. Sir, let us see how we can able to implement this. So whatever program we have taken, same program or not? Yes, same program we are going to take. But here I am going to take, sir, Fibonacci sequence. Okay. Sir, same function here also we have to call. Sir, what modification? You need another variable. A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1. So C is equal to 2. Add A, B, and then C we have to take. Then I is equal to 0, I less than n minus 3 I am taking. So next what we have to do? Sir, C is equal to, not C. D is equal to, sir, A plus B plus C. Add D. A is equal to B, B is equal to C, C is equal to D. That's all. Can I run this code? Yes, let me check how it is going to work. Java C test.java. Sir, I want 10 numbers. Is it correct? 0 plus 1 plus 2 is nothing but 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is nothing but 6. Sir, 2 plus 3 plus 6, it is nothing but 11. 3 plus 6 plus 11, which is nothing but 20. 6 plus 11 plus 20, sir, 30, 37. Okay. Sir, now adding this, we are getting 68. Adding this, we are getting 125. This is the way how to generate algorithm and how you can able to execute this code. Okay. So I hope it is very clear for you people. Please confirm, do you have any doubts up to this? Right, sir. So that's all about today's session. Rest of the things tomorrow we will discuss. Okay. So tomorrow I am going to talk about okay. So I'm going to talk about complexities. What is mean by complexity? So how you can able to calculate complexities? What methodologies are there theoretically? That part we are going to discuss tomorrow's session. Okay. Right. So I will upload the running within few minutes. So even I have class immediately, maybe by end of today night you will get this running notes, sir. Okay, admin people will share videos. Okay, admin people are going to share the videos. Please try to ask admin team regarding videos. Okay, yeah, WhatsApp group is not yet created. Yeah, right. Yeah, logic based programming is there 9 p.m. today. Yes, we have. Yeah, yeah, very good. Sir, see you tomorrow. Yeah, that's what I am telling. Prem, this is the permanent Zoom link for the attending the classes. Every day they are not going to share any link. Okay, same link will be there. Okay, yeah, demo link for logic based programming. Yeah, you will get it in YouTube or you can go through Telegram channel. Yeah. Yeah, fifth holiday, sir. We don't have any class on Wednesday. Sir, please check in the website. In the website, it will be there. Just a minute. Yeah, today you have class at 9 p.m. We have demo. Previous lecture videos, please contact admin team. They will share. Okay, please contact admin team. They will share. Because it is not sharing. Just they will upload in the drive and they will give you access. And the people who are asking for logic based programming demo link, just you can register for this. Today you have class at 9 o'clock. Yeah, we don't have class on 5th. 5th is holiday, right? Yeah, 5th is holiday. We running notes will be uploaded on Google Drive. Running notes will be uploaded on Google Drive. You can cross check. Maximum by today night you will receive. Yeah, right. Thank you, sir.